Welcome to your quick guide on the top 5 fitness mobile apps for everyday health and workouts. Whether you want to lose weight, build strength, run your first mile, or simply move more, your phone can become an incredibly powerful personal trainer. Stick around, because by the end, you will know exactly which app fits your goals, your budget, and your lifestyle. Fitness apps make healthy living easier for beginners in many ways. They help you set goals and actually measure your progress. They let you work out anywhere, at any time, without needing a gym. They offer guided coaching at a fraction of the cost of a personal trainer. They track steps, calories, sleep, and heart rate to give you smart insights. They also provide endless workout variety and a supportive community that keeps you going. Before downloading, check these 6 key things. Look for an easy, clean interface so you stay focused. Make sure there are beginner-friendly plans that grow with your level. An offline mode is a lifesaver when your signal drops. Check that it syncs with your smartwatch or health apps. Understand the pricing clearly, including free versus premium features. And finally, make sure the video guidance is clear, with proper form cues that help prevent injuries. At number 5, we have MyFitnessPal. This app shines when it comes to food tracking and nutrition. Its food database contains over 14 million items, and the barcode scanner makes logging meals incredibly fast. You can set personal calorie and macro goals, track water, exercise, and weight changes, and connect it with Apple Health or your favorite wearable. It is free to start and perfect if your main goal is diet and weight management. Coming in at number 4 is Strava, the social network built for runners and cyclists. It uses your phone's GPS to map your routes and track pace, elevation, and heart rate in detail. The segment leaderboards let you compete with other athletes nearby, and the social feed keeps you motivated with likes, comments, and community challenges. It works beautifully with Garmin, Apple Watch, Fitbit, and other devices, making it the top pick for outdoor enthusiasts. At number 3 is Fitbit, a complete wellness hub. Even without wearing a Fitbit device, the app tracks your steps, sleep stages, heart rate, and stress levels. It offers a daily readiness score that tells you how hard to train based on recovery. You also get guided workouts across strength, yoga, and cardio, along with mindfulness and breathing sessions. If holistic wellness is your priority, Fitbit is a fantastic daily companion. Our number 2 pick is Nike Training Club, and the best part is that it is completely free. You get hundreds of workouts designed by world-class Nike trainers covering strength, endurance, yoga, and mobility. The adaptive multi-week programs grow with your fitness level, and every session includes video guidance with crystal-clear form demonstrations. Many workouts need no equipment at all, which makes it ideal for beginners working out at home. At the top of our list is Peloton. While most people know Peloton for its bikes, the app is a powerhouse on its own. You get thousands of live and on-demand classes covering running, cycling, strength, yoga, and meditation, all led by world-class instructors. The real-time leaderboards and curated playlists create an energy that is hard to match. Best of all, you do not need any Peloton equipment. Just your phone, a good pair of shoes, and you are ready to go. Let us recap with a quick side-by-side. MyFitnessPal is your best friend for nutrition. Strava is unbeatable for runners and cyclists. Fitbit wins for overall daily wellness. Nike Training Club is perfect for free guided home workouts. And Peloton takes the crown for variety and motivation. Most of these offer a free tier or trial, so you can test them without spending a rupee on day 1. Before you go, here are 6 tips to make any app work for you. Start small with just 15 minutes a day for 2 weeks. Schedule workouts into your calendar like important meetings. Enable reminders so consistency becomes a habit. Try free trials before paying for premium. Pair your app with a simple fitness band for better accuracy. And combine movement with healthy eating for faster results. Pick one app today, download it, and take your very first step. Thanks for watching, and keep moving forward.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.